I've seen a lot of cruise excursions in Alaska, but the Great Alaska Lumberjack Show has its own unique charm. In this video, I'll give you a real look at what to expect and help you decide if it's worth doing on your next trip to Ketchikan. Welcome to Ketchikan, Alaska, a port known for its charm, culture, and history. Hi, I'm Bonnie from Bon Voyage Cruise and Travel, and with over 52 cruises and visits to more than 70 countries under my belt, I love helping travelers feel prepared before they step on board. So today I'll take you along to the Great Alaska Lumberjack Show, give you a peek at downtown Ketchikan, and share with you how you can do this excursion independently if you'd rather skip the ship's tour. So let's get started. Beautiful, I don't remember this at all. It's so pretty. This is Ketchikan. Oh goodness. Our ship arrived late, so our show was bumped from 11:30 to 1:30. That can happen, but the good news is the show usually accommodates. So here we are in Ketchikan, and we just basically come off there when we walk through that gangway area, and then over to that way was our tour pickup, but he's delayed it for 2 hours, so now we have 2 hours to kind of look around and figure out what we want to do. Got here late. We just got here, it's like noon, and our original time for our short excursion was 7:30 in the morning, then it changed to 11:30, and now that we just got off at 12, they've changed it to 1:30, so you have to be flexible. And it's fine. It's a beautiful day here. There's a ship over there. It's beautiful. So we went left, but it looks like downtown is to the right of the ship. Sapphire Princess and Ruby Princess. Right off the ship, you'll find plenty of shops and a few cafes. Think huckleberry jam, Alaska taffy, sweatshirts, and plenty of lumberjack souvenirs. It's touristy but fun if you're looking for something quick to bring home. Those are big tusks. The Lumberjack Show is just a short walk from the port. If you're on a ship's excursion, the shuttle won't leave until the last moment, which means you'll be the last ones in to the venue and stuck with the leftover seats. So I'd recommend walking if you're comfortable. But this is kind of what you can expect. That's very quaint. So there's plenty of things to look at if you didn't take a tour. The Lumberjack Show is a short walk from the port. Depending on where your ship docks, Cunard and Holland America are docked right across the street from the show, while for us on Princess, it was about a 15-minute walk. I know not everyone is able to make that walk. It can be tough if you want to explore, but you're limited by your mobility. The shuttle option does exist, and if that's a better fit, inquire with the staff and they will direct you once you show your ticket. So to hang a left here at Spruce Mill Way. Once at the arena, you will notice it's outside. The seating is all aluminum benches. Think football game, and it's first come, first serve. The front row is wheelchair accessible, and it fills up pretty fast. And by the time the excursion shuttle arrived, many people were climbing to the higher rows or squeezing into the corners. Everyone comes in through the same exact entrance, regardless of the ship that you are on. So where you sit depends on when you arrive. and I believe they open an hour prior. For me, I was thankful I could walk heading over just to settle in before the crowds. What's funny is you can buy it on the ship. It's the same price, but if you walk all the way to the right of the ship where you're parked, to the very end of the water line and hang a left going from the ship, wherever your ship docks, you have to walk all the way to the right to where the street runs out. And then you go to Spruce Mill Way and you keep walking straight, and it's up maybe a block, and it's on the right hand side, and it's this here. People are buying tickets in line, so there's a huge line for people to try to get into the show. Then there's tickets that we were issued from Ruby Princess, and I thought we were getting a ride here, but because of the delay, he said you can just walk. And in a way, it's better because now we have a good seat. We have a really good seat. All the other people sitting there at the Ruby Princess, I don't know how they're going to get here. I guess by bus, but you're better off walking over here. But the cost of the ticket from Ruby Princess versus here is the same price. But here, at least you have a ticket and you go on a different line, and it's almost like front of the line pass kind of thing. So I would do that. Since filming wasn't really allowed, I only caught a little bit here and there, but here's what you can expect. It's a lively 1-hour show with chainsaws, pole climbing, log rolling, and plenty of audience participation.
Born and raised right here in Ketchikan. Make some noise for beautiful sunny Ketchikan.
The performers are pros, it's high energy, funny, and very family friendly. After the show, the shuttles are available for those who came in by shuttle. Just ask the staff when they depart and where to catch them. There is also an axe throwing lesson going on, as well as a crab feast, but that is additional cost. If you walk back to the ship, the benefit is having time to browse the shops and restaurants along the waterway. A great way to end your day in Ketchikan. Ketchikan is an easy port to explore, and the Lumberjack Show is a great choice if you want something upbeat and entertaining right near the docks. Next time, I think I'll try the walking tour for more of the town's history. Just so you know, I've got a Ruby Princess playlist with more Alaska ports such as Sitka and Juneau and tips, so check that out next. If you found this helpful, informative, or you learned something, please make sure you hit that like button. Subscribe for more cruise tips and travel information. Thanks again for watching. Happy cruising, and until next time.